Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn 1, 2, 3 countings. Red color. 1. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 4. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. 6. S-I-X 6. S-I-X 6. Light green color. 1. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 4. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. 6. S-I-X 6. Orange color. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. 10. T-E-N 10. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. Purple color. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. 10. T-E-N 10. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. So kids, what we learn today? We learn about red color, light green color, orange color and purple color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with a new topic. Till then, bye.